Welcome to the extraordinary process of transforming organic papaya waste into valuable resources.
Millions of these leftover trunks are brought to this massive facility every single day.
The first crucial step begins with a high-volume wash to strip away thick layers of dirt and field debris. Powerful high-pressure jets hit every angle, making sure the raw material is completely purified. As they emerge from the water bath, even green papayas still attached to the stems are thoroughly cleansed.
This final heavy rinse acts as a massive waterfall, completely removing any lingering impurities.
Now gleaming clean, the logs continue their journey down the endless conveyor belts, preparing for the cutting phase. Transitioning onto steel rollers allows the excess water to quickly drain away from the fibers. A massive battery of industrial fans generates hurricane-force winds to flash dry the raw materials. Driven by heavy-duty chain conveyors, the trunks are marched relentlessly toward the chopping block. The heavy guillotine feeder aggressively grips the logs, forcing them into the shredding chamber. Violent steel blades tear through the vegetation, separating the soft leaves from the dense cores in a spectacular display. Precision blades slice the tough trunks into uniform geometric rounds. Every cut maximizes the surface area, a critical preparation for the intense heat treatment to come. Millions of these organic rings form an endless green river, flowing towards the dehydration tunnels. Subjected to intense steam treatments, the internal moisture is violently expelled from the plant fibers. Stripped of moisture, they are fed directly into the beast's mouth, a roaring carbonization furnace.
Baked at over 1,000 degrees in an oxygen-deprived environment, the organic matter transforms into pure, glowing carbon.
A sudden quenching process shocks the hot charcoal, halting combustion and locking in the thermal energy. What was once discarded fruit waste has now become high-grade charcoal blocks. To create uniform briquettes, these blocks must first be ruthlessly crushed into smaller fragments. Massive twin-screw extruders grind the fragments down to a fine, highly combustible powder. The resulting micropowder is completely homogenized, ensuring a perfectly consistent burn rate. Ton after ton of fine carbon dust is collected into massive hoppers, ready for the binding phase. To shape the briquettes, the carbon powder is dynamically blended with water and an organic starch binder. Heavy-duty paddles churn the dense sludge, creating a thick, moldable paste. A high-speed centrifugal vortex guarantees every single carbon particle is thoroughly coated and hydrated. The semi-solid paste is forcibly extruded, delivered precisely into the stamping line by automated robotics.
Under extreme hydraulic pressure, the paste is stamped into its iconic honeycomb structure, maximizing airflow.
Row after row of flawless briquettes march forward in perfect unison, heading toward the final curing oven. To achieve a rock-hard, smokeless finish, they must face the inferno one last time. Blazing at maximum intensity, the fire burns off any remaining volatile compounds, leaving behind pure, long-lasting energy.
Emerging from the depths, these glowing embers are slowly cooled, sealing their rock-hard density.
Industrial fans blast cool air over the briquettes, turning them from molten red to solid, carbon-rich black. The finished product, a dense, zero-smoke biocoal, engineered for maximum burn efficiency and minimum waste. A staggering sea of briquettes cools on the massive curing floor, awaiting final packaging.
Quality control is paramount. Each biocoal block is carefully inspected and hand-packed into boxes.
Alternatively, for bulk distribution, They are rapidly loaded into sturdy burlap sacks.
Once filled, industrial sewing machines stitch the rugged bags tightly shut, sealing the contents for transport. The rugged sacks are stacked efficiently, creating mountains of sustainable fuel ready for the global market.
Meanwhile, the green foliage is never wasted. The nutrient-dense leaves enter their own remarkable transformation.
Powerful shredders tear the fibrous leaves into a fine, wet mulch, maximizing nutrient extraction. The wet, fibrous mulch travels along stainless steel conveyors, heading toward the extraction and mixing vats. Monitored by skilled technicians, the biomass is loaded into colossal stainless steel blenders.
A vicious vortex mixes the leaves with essential organic binders, achieving the exact moisture content required.
The heavy, nutrient-rich slurry is pumped directly into the massive pelleting press. Forced through a precision metal die under immense pressure, the paste is shaped into dense, compact pellets. Thousands of these green nuggets cascade from the press every second, holding concentrated nutrition. To prevent spoilage, these soft nuggets must traverse a searing hot drying tunnel.
The extreme heat flash evaporates the moisture, baking the pellets into tough, long-lasting forms. As they exit the oven, a blanket of steam rises, marking the successful lock-in of vital nutrients.
High-volume fans strip away the final residual heat, ensuring the pellets harden perfectly.
The final result is a pristine, nutrient-packed biopellet, flawless in texture and shape.
Mountains of finished product cascade through the massive silos, signifying a highly successful production run.
The final step is automated packaging, where exactly measured portions are funneled into durable transport bags. Industrial stitching machines rapidly seal the bags with high-tensile thread, securing the biopellets inside.
The packaged product silently rolls down the conveyor, bound for the massive storage facility.
Automated palletizers hurl the heavy bags onto wooden stacks, building towers of eco-friendly fuel in a cloud of industrial mist. Finally, a robotic wrapper encases the pallets in tight layers of stretch film, ensuring maximum stability during shipping. From discarded agricultural waste to endless corridors of premium biofuel and feed, a perfect cycle of sustainability.
Ready to power the world.